Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to learn 10 lines on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a free messaging app used all over the world. It was created by John Combe and Brian Acton in 2009. WhatsApp lets people send messages, photos, videos, and voice notes. It also allows voice and video calling over the internet. You can use WhatsApp on your mobile phone and computer. It uses your phone number to create an account. In 2014, Facebook bought WhatsApp. WhatsApp now has billions of users around the globe. It also has WhatsApp Web for using it on laptops and desktops. WhatsApp is a fast and easy way to stay connected with friends and family. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.